Mainit na balita.
No.
Sandali lang,
No,
patapusin
wait.
mo kasi ako eh.
Order.
I still have the floor.
No. I'm trying to get your time because I am the chairman. What I wanted to
Sige,
explain.
if that is what you want, sige.
Mr. Chair, what I wanted is that we respect each other. You have your own committees, and I'm following the rules.
Mag-aaral lang kayo ng rules para hindi kayo nag-aaway.
Attorney Salvador Panelo, natawa na lang sa nangyaring karambola ng mga kongresista sa Kamara. Nagtrending nga ang balita tungkol sa nangyaring girian ng mga mambabatas sa Committee on Public Order and Safety sa gitna ng pagdinig nito sa pamumuno ng chairperson na si Congressman Dan Fernandez. Nag-ugat ng pagtatalo nang humingi ng permiso na makisali si Congresswoman Matibag, dala-dala ang isang deputization letter upang isama sana sa pagtalakay Committee on Public Order and Safety ang naging paksa ng kanyang privilege speech dahil halos magkatulad lamang ang nilalaman nito sa resolusyon ni Deputy Speaker Congressman J.J. Suarez na kung saan ay dinidinig nila sa komiting iyon. Nagkaroon nga ng isang mainit na diskusyonan sa pagitan ni Committee Chairman Congressman Dan Fernandez at Congressman Paduano na kung saan ay nakisali na rin si Congressman Acop. Nagresulta nga ito sa pagtaas ng mga boses ng mga mambabatas at tila nga ay nainsulto si Chairman Dan Fernandez sa ginawa ni Acop at Paduano na hindi pagpapakita ng respeto sa chairman ng komiting iyon.
That I am being deputized to hear and participate here in the Committee on Public Order and Safety in the bill filed by our Honorable J.J. Suarez, as this is the same bill that I have filed also, which is also happening in my district. I would like to get the permission of the body, Mr. Chair, that I'd be allowed by our members to be part of this committee.
Okay, thank you so much, Congresswoman Matibag. Normally, the procedure that we are following here are first, the resolution that is filed and referred to this committee are given the preferential treatment. But having said that, your issue dwell on the same issue that was filed by Congressman J.J. Suarez. And since can we kindly see your deputization? Can you kindly submit to this committee? So we will be allowing you to be a part of the discussion and the voting process if ever that a voting will be needed because
Also,
of this
Mr.
deputization.
Chair,
But okay, go ahead.
We also have the same persons involved. I think the RD, since we are from the same region,
Yeah.
our RD here is also part of our investigation.
And in that case, we will be asking the body, if your manifestation of trying to include that same issue in relation to the resolution that was filed by Deputy Speaker J.J. Suarez to be laid on this committee. So, what's the pleasure of the body? So there is a manifestation of our good congresswoman from First District that her issue on her privilege speech be a part of the discussion of the resolution of Congressman J.J. Suarez. So that's the issue that we have to settle.
Chairman,
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chairman, just to clear things, with regards to deputization of Congresswoman Matibag,
Please sit down, Congressman Paduano, please.
Problema, kumakain ako, bigla kang humirit. Yeah. Chairman, thank you. Chairman Acop, thank you. Maraming utang to kay Chairman Acop. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, with regards to the deputization
Order, please. Okay, go ahead.
Congresswoman Matibag, of course, it's the right of the Deputy Majority Leader to deputize. Now, he has all the authority and the right, especially during voting. Now, with regards to the issue being raised by Congresswoman Matibag on her privilege speech, am I correct? Privilege speech?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
That is not a resolution. That is not a reso filed by you. privilege speech. Now, unless otherwise, Mr. Chairman, the privilege speech of the Honorable Matibag was referred to this committee.
It was, sorry.
Yes, as a matter of fact, it was referred
We
already.
can. So there's no need, Mr. Chairman, to discuss about it because...
No, we are not going to discuss it. The
No.
manifestation of Congresswoman Matibag
I know.
is to allow this body to tackle that on the next hearing. Not now. Yun ang kanyang manifestation eh.
Ano ba yung, kailan ba yung privilege speech mo? Anday, yung referral sa public, public
It was
order?
referred, Mr. Chair, last week.
Last
right,
week.
Comsec?
We have 5-day rule, under the rules, we have 5-day rule.
May I
So,
remind,
that-
wait. May I
tapos-
remind the gentleman that you are, please address the chairman, please.
Anyway, napaka-stricto tong chairman na to. Anyway, sa sunod sa akin, may araw ka rin. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, ganito lang po. We have 5-day rule. Now, if that is covered by the 5-day rule,
Last week ba?
today is our hearing, no? And if the privilege speech which was referred to this committee is germane to the issue being tackled with regards to House resolution of DSGJ and the Honorable Mujib Ataman, we can consolidate it with just one motion. Then we can also discuss today.
So,
Today.
Congresswoman Ann Matibag, a while ago you have this manifestation of your privilege speech to be a part of the discussion based on the resolution of Congressman Suarez. Now, I think the good gentleman from hindi, ano niya?
Party.
Abang Lingkod Party List wanted you to have a motion for this committee to act on it. Go ahead,
Mr. Chairman,
Congresswoman.
sandali po.
Yes, Congressman
Comsec has
Paduano.
clarified. Yes, Comsec. Pasok ba doon sa 5-day rule? 5-day?
I think
5
it
calendar.
was referred to the committee, the privilege speech. Yes, pasok naman na Congressman Paduano. So Congressman Robert Ace Barbers is acknowledged, sir. So Congresswoman Matibag, you are recognized. Go ahead. Yes, Congressman Ako, please.
You were asking the body kung itatackle natin. Tapos ngayon, nakapag-rule ka na without asking the body. I think that is whimsical and arbitrary, Mr. Chair.
No, Chairman Ako, hindi
Yes,
po.
I still have the floor, I
Sige,
think.
go ahead. Oh.
There is such a thing as out of order. If it is not included in the agenda, even in the floor, and if you tackle that, you are out of order.
Mr. Chair, Congressman Akop, we will not be tackling that resolution right now. That's the reason why I'm
Hindi ko
asking.
naman sinasabi. Sandali lang.
No,
Patapusin mo
wait.
kasi ako
Order.
I
What-
still have the floor.
No, I'm trying to get your time because I am the chairman. What I wanted to
Sige,
explain.
if that is what you want, sige.
Mr. Chairman, what I'm trying to point out is that a while ago, Congresswoman Matibag was implying through her manifestation that he wanted to include her privilege speech on the discussion of the resolution. But I tried to put it on the floor by having the body to act on it. But we will not be discussing the merit of the privilege speech right now. What I'm trying to say with the indulgence of Congressman Akop is that the approval of the body that we will be including her privilege speech on the next hearing.
No, Mr. Chairman, ganito lang po.
Pa-recognize ka muna.
Chairman.
Before
Can I be
before I recognize you, Congressman Paduano, may I be allowed to acknowledge the presence of Congressman Ruel Peter Gonzaga? Now you are recognized.
Thank you, Chairman. Mr. Chairman, ganito lang po. Sinabi ko, I have already established, if that privilege speech was referred to this committee, pasok dun sa 5-day rule natin, 5 calendar day rule, pwede talaga. Somebody has to move, na ipasok mo, then we'll vote if we have a quorum. Di ba? That's why, Mr. Chairman,
No.
your ruling should be right after that motion. If ever members
No,
will...
I haven't ruled yet. What I'm trying to
Anyway,
tell is for her to have a motion.
And then
Ang sabi ko
that's
kanina,
only my point.
wait. What I said was, because manifestation yon, now I'm trying to tell to change it to a motion. Hindi po ako nag-rule, Congressman Paduano. What I'm trying to tell is to change the manifestation to a motion.
Okay. Pasok pa, Concept?
Pasok. Oh, so motion, please.
Mr. Chair, I may move to be included in the hearing of the resolution
Respect the chairman, please.
directing the appropriate House Committee to conduct an inquiry in aid of legislation.
Wait for a while. What I wanted is that we respect each other. You have your own committees, and I'm following the rules of this Congress, and it's also right that we debate on something, but when the chairman is speaking, respect the chairman, please. We are all co-equal. Go ahead, Congresswoman Matib.
Mr. Chair, I move that in the case of my district, I may be included in the House resolution directing the appropriate House Committee to conduct an inquiry in aid of legislation of violence, harassment, intimidation, and other criminal acts committed before, during, after the conduct of the 2023 Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections. I so move, Mr. Chair.
Oh, there's a motion for the inclusion of the issue of the privileged speech on the discussion of the resolution filed by Congressman J.J. Suarez.
Second
Any second the
motion, Mr.
motion?
Chair.
Gili seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved.
Natawa na lang si Attorney Salvador Panelo sa kaguluhang nangyari sa pagdinig. Sabay sabing dapat talagang mag-aral sa rules upang hindi humantong sa mga ganitong pagtatalo.
Pagtatalo sa Senado nito mga nakaraang araw ay mayroon din palang naging pagtatalo sa Kamara. Ayon sa chairperson ng isang komite, magrespetuhan naman daw sana sila. Panoorin natin. Grabe, tawang-tawa ka, Teresa.
Because we have a spectacle of watching a vexingly amusing dialogue between and among members of the House of Representatives.
With S. Okay.
Vexingly amusing, Amusing pero vexing.
Ay, gusto ko yung mga oxymoron terms, mga attorneys when we discuss issues here. But, ayaw ko patulan. Pag bumalik ako doon, balikan ako.
Nabigyan natin niya si Dan.
Pero, sa napanood ba, Attorney Sal, bastusan nga ba?
Wala. Ako nakikita ko dyan. Sino naman nagsabi? Ilan lang kami abogado rito eh. Wawalo lang yata sa 300 plus. Kasi pag lawyer ka, talagang alam mo ang rules. Kaya hindi kayo mag-aaway-aaway sa rules kasi you know hindi ka napapasok pag mali ka. Mag-aaral lang kayo ng rules. Para hindi kayo nag-aaway.